Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. No TikTokers coming from Ndwana Wamangwabe, guys. After abambone lapha ku TikTok atendela dance challenge yakhe atijayivela lapha ku TikTok. So okay, first thing into lapha inotisile abantu bambude ukuthi awusenimove endlini lenshayini because siyabona ukuthi lapha nakusiko lapha endlini ale yellow, and they've been rumors ukuthi Mangwabe umshile kumusa Mseleko. So bambuda nje mntwana ukuthi senimuvile nibani bafuna tindzaba guys emntwaneni, but anyway angizange ngibone le yayiphendulile. So abantu abaningi they dragged ahe ukuthi hayibo girl uyakhona wona kuhambe ujayiva kubo TikTok, but mokakho uthi sina laphana ngalesikhathi ngidlala uthando nesithemba uthi sina hayi wakhipha lesikhulu sililo wena wasidzinza sililo wakhala wabema kwakwathi ukubhonya ibhadi nje because wena uyakwadi kusina. So people dragged lo mntwana awamsamseleko bathi ukhona kuhamba ujayiva kubo TikTok but uyahluleka akusina ukhona kwenda amanyala kubo TikTok. Guys nimendani mntwana yathi kuzube lapha ku TikTok kufuna ubujimile manje ubunemandla, hence why abantu bagcina bakhomment ama-suicide uma sebabadrega uthi mangidi yena ngizokubhonya ibhadi obheba usine khona into engifuna ukuyibona. Uthi ji wena ukusina nje kwengane ngavele ngabona. Uthi zani uzokushaya mbali wena udansisa izinqa. They were commenting laphana ku video yakhe uMawande la ifake lapha ku TikTok atendela i-dance challenge. Aqina ngalapho kena uthi zama April ave wangidabukisa usukhala. Uthi mbali mamsomi caption uthi siya thatha farewell. So ntwana nje abamnike kuthola lapha ku TikTok. Uthi yena mandaba yena usilo uhlula kusina kodwa amanyala uyakwazi ukuwenza ona. Uthi simi abantwana bakamseleko sebasheka izibunu ku TikTok. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.